Today, we're trying viral convenience store foods.
Oh,
This looks gross.
yes.
Your queens of chaos are back and we are in Korea. So, we gotta try some viral foods here. How good is our setup here? It's fully mukbang style.
Giving Korean mukbang vibes.
Okay, Zen, I don't think you're ready for this first one. It's weird.
Traditional Korean snack. Name is kimbuga. Good quality sesame oil. Sesame oil. I put too much. This is another level dessert.
It's next level dessert, guys. We have to try it.
I thought we were doing yummy stuff today.
It could be. It's like there's hidden gems. You know how sometimes food combinations can be the weirdest things, but they work? We gotta find out so you don't have to try these weird combos. We have our sesame ice cream starter kit here with crispy seaweed. Let's go. This is just like vanilla ice cream.
빵빠레.
빵빠레. Give it
Flowers.
arms. Ding 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 ding. It's like an ice cream Christmas tree. I actually like all these elements on its own. So together they could work. Hey, I'm just gonna drizzle a little bit, yeah. Ooh, it's like vanilla essence. You try first.
Why? You're scaring me.
I'm gonna hold back. Zen, you're gonna try. Hey, what the hell?
It's actually yummy.
It actually tastes really good. What is this? I actually kind of want a little bit more sesame oil. I think if we were to do this again, I would kind of crumb up the seaweed and kind of like just coat the ice cream.
Yeah.
Definitely got to try it with the fried seaweed. It doesn't have that strong seaweedy taste. It's more like a really nice crispy crunch. With the ice cream and the sesame oil, I feel like this is kind of like a Macca's and like fries.
Fries
like
and ice cream, right?
Yeah,
the
soft
sweet and
serve.
savory.
It's kind of giving me that vibe. Wow, I'm glad we didn't knock it. Cheers. I am so pleasantly surprised. What are we gonna rate this? I think it deserves a double thumbs. Oddly enough, if you can find this combo, definitely try it when you're in Korea, or even you can just try it with like normal vanilla ice cream. Crazy, that guy is onto something.
Are you tired of eating buldak ramen always the same way? Try this way.
불닭 ramen, tuna, kimbap, and some string cheese. So make just a average regular 불닭 ramen. Add the kimbap. I know it's a little bit weird. And then add some string cheese. And then microwave it for 1 minute. And then add some flake. It's done. It's so easy, right? And it tastes amazing, guys.
I don't remember the last time I ate a fire noodle. This one is a level 4 tuna.
Mayo. String cheese.
First things first, let's prepare our noodles. Check out our fancy kettle. It's Airbnb fancy, but we're still eating on the floor.
Yeah.
Noodles are al dente. Oh, that smells toxic.
Red and toxic.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Does not look appetizing at all. Okay, smush, smush, smush. This looks gross. Ew. It looks bad, guys. I don't even think this looks appetizing.
It's okay, we can save it with cheese.
Now Zen is going to carefully place the string cheese on top. Now we microwave it. Whilst we're waiting for that to cook, let me introduce you to Revolut, the money app that simplified my spending for the past 2 years. Right now you can get $40 when you sign up to Revolut and make your first purchase. $40? That's almost my entire haul of snacks here. And you can get that when you sign up to Revolut. What? Click the link in my description box or scan the QR code here to learn more. You guys know that when I'm exploring convenience stores in Korea, the last thing I want to worry about is mental math converting won to dollars. Revolut does it all, so I don't even need to worry about exchanging money before I go. I get competitive exchange rates and I can even use my cards in over 100 countries without the high international fees. My favorite feature, whenever I grab a snack or drink, I get an instant notification showing exactly how much I spent in my home currency. Before using Revolut, I'd have to wait until after my trip to discover I'd spent way more than I thought on kimbap and banana milk. It's also so simple to withdraw cash from local ATMs here in Korea, which is essential for those cash-only street food vendors. And the best part is Revolut doesn't charge me any ATM withdrawal fees. Revolut offers both physical and virtual cards, which is incredibly useful. I create virtual cards whenever I'm shopping on new websites. It helps add a level of security to my shopping as my card details sales disappear after every use. I'm on the metal plan and you can get access to these complimentary subscriptions, which is a total perk for everyday use. I use Masterclass to learn new cooking techniques. There's PixUp Pro for editing your food pics, Tinder Gold for all you singles out there, and even bonus ClassPass credits. So don't forget, you can check out Revolut using the link in my description box, and you can get $40 after your first purchase. Now let's get back to trying some viral convenience snacks. The cheese!
Whoa.
That cheese. And now for the final touch, the flakes. We are so close. Gotta get that cheese
No
pull.
pressure.
No pressure. Let's see, is there gonna be a good cheese pull? Ooh. Oh, that cheese pull.
잘 먹겠습니다.
Yep, can't say that.
You just
I'm
move your
supposed
mouth. 잘 먹겠습니다.
Did it work? I think so. Ooh. Ooh. It's like Lady in the Tramp. What do we do? There's too much cheese pull now. When there's too much cheese pull, you just don't know where to start. Dun, 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 dun.
Cheers.
The cheese is a mozzarella cheese. It's cutting through the spice. I'm not crying, as you can see.
And I think the tuna mayo kimbap helps too.
Yeah.
And add that tuna flavor. It kind of adds like a little bit protein.
You got protein in there, then you got the spiciness from the noodles, you got the chewiness from the mozzarella melted cheese. I'll tell you what, this will be very filling, because sometimes, you know, when you eat like a pack of noodles by yourself, sometimes that's not enough. But when you add a kimbap and 3 string cheese, that's quite substantial. I like it. I can handle this. Oh, actually, I think I spoke too soon. I'm starting to feel it kick in a little bit. It's creeping up on me. It's good though. It's like I want to go back for more.
It's so good.
Definitely not healthy, but if you're looking for like a late night meal, I'm not even gonna say snack because this is a full-blown meal. Definitely try this out if you can handle your spice. Whilst Zen is enjoying that, shall I rate it on our behalf? I feel like it's a double thumbs. It's a double thumbs. It's pretty good. Like, you can't go wrong with these elements. I need a drink.
Must try this when you're in Korea. Banana milk and black coffee. So delicious.
This drink combination is pretty well known. You get your Americano, a banana milk, cup of ice, and you mix it together and you make your own custom coffee. We're doing ice hazelnut Americano. Is this cup like really big, or is it really big? In goes our coffee. Ooh. There's still space for our banana milk. Next, we're gonna top it off with our milk. Wow. Is this just gonna fit? Ooh. Oh, yes, yes.
Calculate that we would mix it.
I feel like they did, because why else would they leave a bit of room, right? Starting your day with a banana hazelnut latte. Oh, lucky we just got one. So big. Okay, I feel like we need to get in on this. Oh, I knew it was gonna work, but I was expecting it to be very sweet.
It's not that bad.
But it's not. It's like subtle. It's not like 100% sugar sweet, you know?
It's very banana-y.
I think you have to like banana, for sure. Do we want to start our day with this on the daily? Probably not. It's a nice flavor to try once, but not like a daily kind of coffee to grab. But I will say that they do have other flavors. Like there's melon, there's strawberry.
Yeah.
So you could do like your own combination.
You can mix and match and make your own viral coffee drink.
Yeah. I think I'm gonna give this like a one.
Same.
One thumb.
One.
It's not bad. It's okay. It's just not like I'd do it again.
Yeah.
Chocolate oil. This one might be a double thumbs up. Might be. I don't know. We gotta try, because I feel like it's merging your drink with a dessert. Ice cream and milk. Like, it's like a milkshake. We hit up 3 convenience stores, but we couldn't find that chocolate milk in the video. So we got the next best thing. A carton chocolate milk. Should work, right? And of course, our ice cream. Cup of ice.
Milk me.
That's what my breast milk.
No.
That's not even a joke. Breast milk
There's
in
so
the
much
fridge.
breast milk this trip.
I'm still breastfeeding, so I gotta pump to keep up my supply, make sure Desmond has milk when I come back.
This is sour uyu, and then we have tina uyu.
Mama Tina Uyu.
Oh, it looks thick. I've never had chocolate milk before.
What? Who are you? What? What do you mean you never had chocolate milk?
I had
What kind of
chocolate.
childhood did you have? Chocolate milk is bomb.
It's actually Milo.
It's Milo.
Oh.
Oh!
Oh.
Oh!
It's like washing the laundry.
It's like you're driving a car and it's like your gear 1, gear 2.
It's getting soggy, the thing. Oh, I guess you can squeeze it out. Ooh, should I just eat the rest? I guess. Are we ready?
Mm-hmm. Oh, almost overflowed.
Whoa! It's giving like dessert now, like
It's like a milkshake float.
Yeah.
Oh, it's good.
It's like a very dense dessert. I can eat it like that.
Oh, it's good.
Oh, that's good.
This is better than the banana.
Yeah,
The
this is better than
coffee.
banana hazelnut. And actually, it's not as sweet as I thought it would be.
The perfect amount of sweetness for Asian dessert.
Yeah.
We're so annoying. Definitely a good drink dessert to try. After roaming the streets after having Korean barbecue, wander into a convenience store and get this combo. Double thanks.
Sugar rush.
Oh.
This is like the ice cream going to the drink.
Oh.
Oh yes.
This is a pillowy goodness. It's the Yonsei cream bread. It's in the fridge section.
Because there's fresh whipped cream inside.
Fresh whipped cream.
Oh.
Oh, it smells good.
Greek yogurt cream.
Greek yogurt inside. Oh, is this healthy? Is that how people take our bread? Like, what's wrong? Oh, it's like your face, but it's got a nice texture. It's kind of squishy. Let's open it up. Ooh, it's like a cloud. What?
Guys, look at this bounce.
It's bouncy, it's thick, it's got a really nice color, and I can see the blueberry jam at the bottom. Moment of truth, will it taste good?
I don't know how to bite.
Oh, I don't know. Ooh. It kind of tastes like a cake.
It's very light.
Wait, let me get some jam. Dude.
It's actually not as sweet as I thought it would be.
The cream isn't sweet, but the jam obviously is, but it does balance out. The
like
bread's
that
really
toffee.
soft. The cream is nice and whipped and airy. Okay, this is pretty good.
All the flavors.
We're gonna
now.
try all the flavors now. At the convenience store, they did have like a melon flavor, a chocolate flavor, and there's a matcha flavor.
I think there's way more flavors, like depending on which convenience
Yeah.
store you find it. I don't know if you can eat one by yourself though.
Yeah, or is it because we had all that other snacks? The crazy thing is this tastes good on its own, but I still think the ice cream and the seaweed with sesame oil trumps this one. Still a good dessert though. 1.5, 1.5, 1.5. We couldn't find that exact Dubai chocolate in the video. There's actually a couple variations. We just got one that we could find. It's actually quite cute because it's a heart chocolate. And in case you didn't check out our Dubai chocolate episode, I'll link it somewhere here. Check it out because we made our own. Let's see how it compares. Don't forget to heart our video. It's my heart.
I have cream on my mouth.
I know, you had it from the last.
Oh.
Oh, that is quite even. Oh, that's what it looks like inside. Kind of different to our one. Bottoms up.
It doesn't taste like ours.
Does not taste like the one we made.
It tastes like cereal-y, not like kunafe.
Kanafe?
Kunafe, it doesn't taste like, it's definitely way more sweet.
I think I like our Dubai chocolate
Yeah.
better. Not just saying it. The one that we made had that stringy texture.
This one just feels like a block of sweet.
Like it's all stuck in my teeth at the back.
This is a
Not that great.
Ours was
I
like
think
10
ours is
times
better,
better.
even though we haven't flown to Dubai to try it. This one was a bit of a letdown. And I think even the chocolate.
Yeah, the chocolate's not that great. Maybe because the chocolate's really thin. Like
Yeah.
you don't get a lot of chocolate with it.
You need a little bit more chocolate around it. Because right now it's a lot of that grainy filling inside. I would just side them.
I'm gonna give this a thumbs down. I don't think it's worth the.
The calories.
Yeah. No.
Heartbreak.
Heartbreak.
That's all the foods we're trying today. If you guys want to check out our chaotic cooking series, please do show us some love there. If you're new here, what are you doing? What are you waiting beautiful. Click subscribe and join our family.
Yeah.
We shall speak to you guys next time. Bye.
안녕.
Annyeong. I'm in my like Asian squat pose.
I'm in my Asian sitting pose, man. It's comfy.